you've ever tried doing laundry or drying clothes in an RV, you know space is limited. Finding a place to hang clothes without cluttering your living area can be a challenge. That's where the RecPro collapsible clothing hanger and drying rack comes in. This compact rack is designed to help you maximize space inside your RV while still giving you a convenient place to hang clothes, towels, or other items that need to air dry. When you need it, simply pull it out from the wall and it's ready to use. When you're done, it folds flat against the wall, keeping your space clean and uncluttered. Despite its compact design, this rack is surprisingly strong. It's made from durable polyacetyl plastic and stainless steel, and when installed on a solid surface like a wall stud, cabinet, or door, it can support up to 50 pounds of weight. The rack also provides room for up to 5 hangers, making it perfect for drying laundry, hanging jackets, or even organizing clothing when you're getting ready for the day. Installation is quick and simple with a 2-screw mounting system, and the rack comes with the screws and anchors you need to get it set up. Once installed, you'll have a reliable and convenient hanging solution that's always ready when you need it. If you'd like to see the dimensions of this product, we'll have them up on the screen for you to pause and take a look. So whether you're drying clothes after laundry day or just need a little extra hanging space, the RecPro RV wall-mounted collapsible clothing hanger and drying rack is a simple, practical upgrade for your RV. If you'd like to learn more about this product, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.